that this is maybe not, this one we should cancel, maybe not the right moment to sell, but in intraday, but generally it is okay to stay with all these short ideas, because nothing good happening in Great Britain's economy. We might understand this. Whoop. Okay, I'm waiting for your questions. Okay. So yeah, for Great Britain pound, I hope you see all this. You see all these charts, and you're okay to understand that this is actually not the level where you have to sell from intraday to, like this one, 124.50. It might be some step after which we get 124.85. I hope you are online. You're buying it intraday, but not for total long positions. Intraday, okay, keep buying it. While we are not online, I open my other trading terminals, and I can work right now with you, and nothing is changing for now. Okay, so you know the target, you know the general idea, and hope you're okay with this. If you have questions, ask them under the video. Well, now we go to euro, and for euro also I would like to pay your attention to this tendency line from March 29th, this one. So yeah, price may hit 108.50, 108.60, and after that we can enter short positions. So for now, here is some historical long position for like 20 pips, and you all might think, oh my god, we should buy. Okay, well, you can buy intraday, but general idea to sell euro dollar is still good. I'm not going to buy euro dollar with a target 110, 114 and so on until we don't see a good signal for the market to go up. There is still no signal to go up, no candlestick that shows us a good signal to buy. So until I don't see this movement and way up, I'm not going to open long positions and hold it to 114 or 115. So yeah, intraday, what you should follow is an idea that here is a level of resistance 108.50, 108.60, and if market can't break it from the first time, you may sell from here with a short position like 108.20, 108. And if you see the breakdown of this tendency line, I showed it to you before, this tendency line, after that we might think about buying euro dollar with the target 109.50. I hope this is understandable. So yeah, all these movements up are not signals to go extremely far for now, not for now, okay? Above 108.50, 108.60 on 1 hour chart, on 4 hour chart, it might be a moment to enter long positions with the target 109.50. I'm telling you some levels that you can work with, and if price is being above some level, so you are okay to hold long positions with the next levels. I'm going to show you now, for example, Euro Australian dollar, and my congratulations to my Russian Trading Club Pro, to my English Trading Club Pro. We are in a good profit. Why? Because we were selling Euro Australian dollar with someone from 168.80, with someone from 170. So this is general idea to go down for Euro Australian dollar, to sell this currency pair, not to buy. So that is what I'm telling you about every currency pair, that I'm not ready to work with the long positions, but if it goes up, I will be waiting for a moment to sell. It happened with the Euro Australian dollar, so I wasn't ready to buy it from here, no matter how far it went. It went up for like 60 pips. It was good, but I didn't buy. Why? Because I'm waiting for a signal to sell, and it is okay to go down. What I do for my Russian Trading Club Pro, for my English Trading Club Pro, I write to them, okay, for today it's still good to hold this idea. Well, I see what happens in this currency pair. We sold it, but it's going up. I don't change my idea to sell, but If price is above these levels, we should decline our positions. If price is turning from this level, we should push more long short positions from there. So for Euro Australian dollar, we are still in short positions and we are okay with it from 170. Now it's 167, like 300 pips with the first sign after the dot. It's good. It is good. And what we do now, is it a moment to sell to 166? If you hold your short positions for a long time, it is okay to keep holding long positions. But what may happen, you see a reaction of market to this level. Market is touching this level of support. After that, it goes up, and from the second time, it is trying to break this level. What can happen? You see the breakdown, and the next 1 hour chart may go up. So this will be what? You know already, this will be a fake breakdown. If you are trying to open short position right now, for example, you entered my Trading Club Pro today and you saw my signal like, yeah, keep holding those short positions, and you enter short position, it's not okay. Why? Because there is a trading situation that you might use. You see the breakdown of this tendency line, of this level of support. You need to have close price under this level. After that, you understand that, okay, if close price broke this level, I'm going to try to enter short position. First question that you ask yourself, where do I put my stop loss? With the rules, your stop loss might go right here. It is far, it is a lot. So on 1 hour chart, it is not good. My Trading Club Pro English and Russian guys, they know that what I do, I'm trying to show entry point even on 5-minute chart, on a 1 hour chart, like less and less stop loss I'm trying to find. So yeah, for now, if you see the breakdown, your stop loss might go above here. If you see price going next hour going up, this is a moment for you not to sell but to wait. After you see 1 hour chart again or 4 hour chart being under this level, so the price is being under the level all the time, 1 hour, 2 hours, 8 hours, it's just being under. It is okay to sell and to wait for price to go down again to 166. So yeah, this is the technical picture, what I'm going to use for the nearest future. I'm not actually helping you for now to find an entry point, but that is what I do for my trading club. But that is something that I'm going to look after, like to search where else I can sell a little bit and to hold maybe even to 164.50, something like that. Okay, about the brand, we should discuss brand. My idea for brand, I actually follow oil market, and I follow companies that are related to oil market, and this is not something that I advise to trade actually. Why? Because I'm strong in forex trading, and this is my main job, to trade forex, euro, Great Britain pound. That is what I do daily for many years. I do same thing. What I'm doing when I wake up, I go through charts, and after that I'm trying to understand what happened on Asian time, and after that I start to work. So for forex, okay, but for brand, I'm just showing you technical picture. I'm not giving advices or ideas. I'm just showing you what I see and what I would do, but I'm not trying to push you, okay? Be careful with that. So level 15 is still under work, and you have to follow this idea that price will touch this level 15. You can enter market and you can sell brand. That's actually what we discussed with you in a weekly video. Price under 25, keep selling. So I hope you're in profit now if you do follow my ideas, and if you follow what I tell you, and you check with your trading and trading mood, let's say it like that. So yeah, for now your target is 15, and you have to put stop loss. You have to find a safe stop loss and to move it. If you did sell under 25, under 24.50, like I did give you an advice to do, so you may put your stop loss like to around $23 per barrel, or even to 22.60. That is like an area for a stop loss, technical area. If you did not enter market, you did not sell, what should we do? We should follow an idea that market can give us a little correction, because look here, price 22 is a good one that market touched on April 21st. You see here? They touched it, went up. So here it might happen that price is touching this level and will try to go up a little bit to 23.40, like to this tendency line, and from here it is okay to sell again and to hold your target 15. If you work intraday 1 hour chart, that is something that may happen and you can use it, okay? Why do I take in my attention level 22? Because market gave me an idea that recently it was a good level that market couldn't break, and even when we got this breakdown, the price went up again. So they might touch this level, give a little correction, and after that, if they do not break this tendency line, price will go to 15, okay? I hope that this will help you. About the gold, guys, actually, I'm not that sure about the situation with the gold. They are trying to give all these intraday impulses. My idea that there is no signal to sell, actually. I'm not going to go into gold, okay? I take a break. I'm going to wait because I can tell. Watching this picture, I can tell you, like people usually do, well, that was the moment to sell, that was the moment to buy. Well, you can understand it, but you can understand it with the history, when you see history. I did not take a trade. I didn't make any trades with this technical situation. It was not understandable for me. What I did understand, and I do write it, well, you can check all my ideas on YouTube, with my Telegram channel, everywhere. I did tell that this level, 1720, is a strong one, and that is something that I'm going to use after market breaks it up, after price goes up. But you see, it was a good level. I found a good level. That was a moment to sell. I did not sell from there because my idea is that they may go up really fast anytime, and there is no signal to sell on daily chart. No good signal to sell. That is why I'm not trying to find entry points to sell. No matter how far price went up, no matter that, you see, it was in a good trend. But until I don't get a good signal on daily chart to sell, I'm not trying to find entry point to sell intraday. I hope this is understandable, and I'm trying to check. What my support team tells me. So yeah, for now, I see that gold is trying to be in a little range, and after I do understand what we may trade here, I will share my ideas in Telegram channel. Now I go to chat and we'll check what you asked me about. Can we sell gold once after a retracement of? Oh, well, you see, that's what you're asking about. Pratic. Okay, 105. It's right here. I do understand what you want to ask me about in 160. 16, right here. That's what you want to do. Look, I can support your idea if you decide to trade intraday and you put your stop loss. That is not the bad idea. Why? Because yes, I do understand that you're a trader. There is a tendency line. There is a good tendency line from the middle side of March. This tendency line, okay? This tendency line. So this is not a bad area to sell from, actually, if you see that price is trying to give this sell movement. Okay, look here. Price goes up to this tendency line. You see reaction. You see 1 hour candle with a shadow from the upper side, shadow. After that, you open 10-minute chart. You draw this small tendency line on 10-minute chart, 15, 5-minute chart, whatever gives you in your trading the platform. So yeah, you draw this tendency line local, today tendency line, intraday. and after you see that price is breaking down this short tendency line, go down, go sell. Okay, I hope that was understandable, because actually that is the technique that I use. After I see the market touching some level and I see reaction, I go intraday on 5-minute chart, on 10-minute chart, 15-minute chart, and I'm waiting for market to break this local tendency, and after that I'm okay to go down. So that I can say that this is a good idea. I'm not sure if market will give you this price actually, 1660. That is far, and my advice is to close your profit a little bit earlier. But if you see this target, well, go ahead. I'm not sure they will give it to you right today or tomorrow, but technically it is a good level. Okay, now I go to chart again. Explain about gold. I did. What's gonna happen today? Oh my God, market will go to the right side, and that's for sure. That's what will happen today. Yes. Okay, if you have any questions, please ask them. I did give you some trading ideas for Brent, for gold, for currencies, for Great Britain pound, for euro. So yeah, for euro, Australian dollar, that is something that you can trade today, and I hope you will be in profit. And ask questions under the video after these days closed, or during the day. If you have any questions, you can ask under the video. My support team goes and checks, is trying to check it all the time. Okay. Yep. So guys, I think it is okay to close now and to go to trade a little bit. Thank you very much. Yes, I'm good. You see, it goes right where I wanted it to go. That is all good. Thank you very much. See you later, and of course join my Trading Club Pro, join my Trading Club and the YouTube channel, Telegram channel. Stay here. Let's make a community that is good to discuss trading situations. That is what I did 2 years ago with the Russian traders. I made some community where they can take my information and they can leave their opinion for the market, but it's not something that they have to do or someone that will make a laugh of them. It is some community that they discuss, and if someone doesn't understand, people help to each other. People just discuss situation and help to each other and to discuss my opinion. You're okay to make fun of my trading ideas. It is okay, but do not make fun of everyone here, okay? Use my strong trading ideas that work. My trading ideas do work, but only as a help to your trading mood. Thank you very much. Put stop losses. If you don't know how to put stop loss, you gotta find out the information and do know how to put stop loss. And please remember, fix profit every day. You see profit, fix it. You see profit, fix it. Market gives you an opportunity to have this money today. Take this money. Do not wait and hold for some fantastic trade, okay? For some fantastic target. Stay with your profit every day, and every day will make your deposit bigger, bigger, and bigger. I wish you profits, guys. See you.